Today we're going to show you how to install an underwater kit with the Philmac PN12 Float Valve. What tools will you need for the job? A Philmac PN12 Float Valve and float and an underwater kit, as well as a small spanner and a pair of scissors. Today we're going to show you how to install the Philmac PN12 sleeve float valve with an underwater kit. Firstly, what you need to do is apply thread tape to your threaded connection. The Philmac PN12 sleeve valve comes with a 3/4 by 1 inch threaded adapter already connected, so you can either apply thread tape to 3/4 connection if you want that. Otherwise, as we've done here, take that off and apply thread tape to the 1 inch connection. Before you install your Philmac PN12 sleeve float valve into the trough, remember to install your underwater kit. So simply thread the underwater kit onto the end of the arm. And nip it up with a wrench or a spanner. Then simply thread your valve into your tank inlet. Once you've adjusted your underwater kit, simply screw into your float. Until firm, and then you can turn on your valve.